Hello, friends. Welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
So, drugs which are used for preventing remodeling of the heart. So, what are the drugs which are used to prevent the remodeling of the heart? These are actually angiotensin converting enzyme inhibitors or angiotensin receptor blockers, beta blockers, aldosterone antagonists can cause remodeling of the heart like eplerenone or spironolactone can be used for remodeling of the heart. Then we also have hydralazine or isosorbide dinitrate can be used for remodeling of the heart.
thank you and thank you for watching.